How can a business be started without money? Don't let a lack of funds hold you back from pursuing your entrepreneurial goals. You can start raising funds once you have a clear vision and confidence in your idea. In this video, we're going to talk about how to start a business with no money. But before we go ahead, please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for future updates. So let's get started. 1. Identify your business idea. Strong small business ideas form the basis of any enterprise. It makes sense that the first step in your entrepreneurial journey would be to identify your business idea. Start by generating ideas and outlining potential solutions. Consider how you can help someone by providing a solution. Examine the concepts you have. How fervently do you feel about them? What skills do you possess? Would your set of abilities help it succeed? Is there anything that your loved ones, friends, or coworkers praise you for or turn to you for when they have a certain issue? Focus on the one that grabs your attention and stands out. 2. Conduct market research. Knowing the market allows you to assess the viability of your business idea. Once you have an idea, conduct market research on the industry in which your company operates. This will show you the market and the potential of your business. Learn about your competitors. You want to see if you can do things more efficiently, quickly, and affordably. Examining your competitors' businesses will reveal their flaws. Find a distinct selling point. 3. Vet your business idea. Even if you plan to reinvest the profits from your frugal startup, it's likely that you plan to invest money in your idea at some point. To avoid losing money, make sure you validate your idea within your trusted circle, advises Fahim Sheikh, CEO of the software-as-a-service company Trellis. It's common to believe that you have a fantastic idea until you try to sell it to others and realize that it could use some work. Although the barriers to entry may be low, you should still ensure that your idea has staying power to warrant the investment of your time and, hopefully, money. 4. Tap into free resources. There are plenty of expensive opportunities to learn the ropes of running a business, but there are far more free or cheap options that will teach you just as much, if not more. To begin your search for free, high-quality business advice, you can use the internet and your local library. Volunteer mentors from Score.org, a nonprofit partner of the SBA, can provide you with more in-depth, personalized business advice at no cost. Discuss with your mentor the best way to select a business model that will take advantage of digital platforms for cost-effective expansion. Online tools can help you save money on unnecessary extras at the outset, such as using WordPress to create a free template website rather than paying a designer for a custom build. 5. Network with communities of support. You don't have to strike out into entrepreneurship on your own. Connecting with a group of people who share your interests, both in person and online, can be a tremendous boost to your success. Investors can be found at conferences and expos. Through social media, you can join a variety of online communities where you can get feedback and suggestions to help you launch your business. You don't have to spend anything to take advantage of the wisdom, guidance, and financial support that other people are willing to offer. All you need is a healthy supply of friendliness and goodwill. 6. Live on personal savings. You will need a means of support if you decide to leave your day job and devote all of your time to your business. The majority of the revenue should initially be reinvested in the company's operations and expansion. In essence, you take your meager funds and wear all the hats. Any funds received are reinvested in the company, multiplying the amount of money you receive on a regular basis. Though it's a good idea to accumulate some personal savings to live on until the business revenue increases to the point where it can support you. This will happen eventually. Just be sure to keep that money apart from your business accounts. 7. Look for alternate funding options. Consider going outside for funding if you're not interested in growing your business through your own efforts, or if you've reached the point where it would be beneficial to receive an influx of capital. Traditional business loans might be accessible, but there is also a wide range of other potential funding sources to investigate. A few examples of potential funding sources include grants, friends and family, incubators and accelerators, crowdsourcing, etc. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.